Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Nova Laima Rossi, student ID number 240322604628. Today I will explain about friction force. Forward. Hey friends, have you ever pushed a table on a rock floor or riding a bicycle on a road track? What happened? What happened to the table or bicycle? So, to find out what influence the field has on the torque force, we learn about friction force. Come on, let's look at the discussion. Friction is a force that works to the touch of two surfaces of an object. This force works in the opposite direction to the direction of motion of the object. Friction can occur to contact between the surface of an object and the path. So when objects move, friction will form between them. An example of friction is when you push a table. If the surface of an object is rough, the friction force can be greater and vice versa. So, the value of the friction force on an object is influenced by the roughness or smoothness of the surface of another object. There are two main types of friction, namely static and kinetic. According to the journal, the physics teachers, static friction acts between two surfaces that are not moving relative to each other, while kinetic friction acts between moving objects. The following is a complete explanation and formula. Number one, static friction force. This force works when the surface of the two objects in contact do not shift. So we can know the magnitude of the static force from the coefficient of static friction times the normal force of the object. The following is the formula for static friction. Fs equal Usxn. Information. Fs is a static friction force. Us is the static friction coefficient. N is the normal force. Number two, kinetic friction force. This type of force works when the surface of object in contact move with each other. The opposite of static friction, kinetic friction, applies to moving object. The following is the formula for kinetic friction is Fk equal Ukxn. Information. If K is the magnitude of the kinetic friction force, Uk is the coefficient of kinetic friction, N is the normal force. Problem example. This is a problem example. On a road surface, a block with a mass of 5 kg is placed. If it is known that the static friction Us equal 0.4 and the coefficient of kinetic friction Uk equal 0.3, Then how much friction force will the block experience if the block is pulled with a force of 15 and 15 Newton? Discussion. Now M equal 5 kilogram, UK equal 0.3, US equal 0.4, F is equal 15 Newton. Ask F. Answer. First, we have to find the magnitude of the normal force. Sigma Fy equal 0, n mean V equal 0, n equal V, n equal mg gravitasi, n equal 6x 5x10, n equal 50 n. Finding static friction force. Fs equal USXN, Fs equal 0.4x 50, Fs equal 20 Newton, because F mean Fs, the block is still at rest. Newton's first law applies, namely sigma F equal 0. F mean F small equal 0. F equal F small. F small equal 15 Newton. So the friction force acting on the block is 15 Newton. Okay, everyone. Maybe just that today. I'm Noval. Thank you.